Okay, thinking we might hit a cruise night tonight. We're gonna hand out some cars to some friends, some family members, see if we can get some of these out of the driveway and out in the streets. Should be fun, but we gotta turn a couple of wrenches and get some of these things back to running and driving. Not that they're far off, but we kind of did away with them. We pushed them into the back, went on to the next project. So now we've got a whole lineup of cars. It's fun. We enjoy it. We like giving them to people for people to drive. That's what it's all about. Now we just got to make them run and drive in a limited amount of time. That cruise is tonight, so we'll see if we make it. I don't know that all these rigs are gonna make it, but I figure if we try to get as many ready as possible, and then they're there if we need them. The van, I don't know that it's going. I had to pull a heater core out of the other one. You might have noticed in one of the videos after I was driving it, it was steaming. Well, we have water in the radiator coolant hoses in this old van when we were taking it apart, so I was a little nervous of that. The heater core did pop on us. It probably froze and expanded in there. So the other van, I had ran and drove it, so I know that one is good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that heater core into this one. It's a nice thing about having a small mini junkyard in there, but I don't know if I've got time to do that with messing around with the other cars. So we'll just bring this up to the top, and if we get a chance to put it in there and it runs and someone wants to take it, cool. Okay, had to run to town to get a haircut. And the van might be down and out because I'm about out of time. So let's clean what we got, get what we got rolling, and then we'll figure out what we got left for time and what we can get going. But everything is filthy, a lot of pollen in the air. Kids have been throwing stuff against them. So they're pretty damn dirty. Right now, I'm just doing the bare minimum here. Not that I drive nice rigs, but you know, I also enjoy knocking the dust off of them and not making them look like I just pulled them out of the weeds. But this one needed a wash, it was pretty grummy. The other one just needed dusted off. You know, it needs more work than that, but not what I'm gonna put into it today. So these are good. These are my solid rigs. We don't really have problems with these ones too much. It's the ones out in the back that I don't give attention to. Those ones are gonna need a little help. And I think the Ranchero's gonna make it, but I don't think the van's gonna make it, so we'll see. Stubborn, this thing truly is a sweetheart. Oh yeah. Now while this one ain't really worth cleaning up much, you can at least get the water out of it more. I'm not gonna do a lot to this one. I'm just gonna let her run to charge up the battery a little bit. Might vacuum it out for him so it's cleaned up. I don't even think I'll wash it because watch. It's got no glove box latch. Okay, I'm gonna give this van one last shot. Basically going for the gusto. Battery is barely turning over and I just don't know if I have enough motivation right now. So I'm gonna soak her down with the old start juice and just pray that she fires on the first crank. Probably only get one or two out of it. If it doesn't work on her, it worked on me. She wants it. So our big problem with the van is the heater core's leaking, but I just noticed it does have an old shut-off valve for the heater. I'm gonna soak it up with a little PB blast and see if I can get that turned. If I can get it turned, then she might go. You know, now that I just did all that work and got her up here and running, it kind of dawned on me. Not only do I not have registration or plates, but that wasn't too much of my concern. But now that I think about it, I don't have lights or turn signals or brake lights or anything. They're usually patrolling those cruises. So now I'm just asking for trouble. So van's probably not quite ready for this voyage yet. She needs a little bit more work. Kind of been starting hard. Yeah. You took the risk.
Okay.
Don't try it again, then you're gonna have to let it run. You gotta hold it into park. Oh, you're playing with fate there.
The ranchero.
I'm not stupid. Show me the cancer. And there is a 10 ball that you want a couple of gallons.